Black beans can be bland in flavor, but the recipe that I'm sharing with you today is packed with flavor. And in addition, we are bringing these black beans to an all new level because we are adding in some cream cheese. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to take some relatively bland black beans and we are going to season them with some onions, red peppers, some minced garlic, some cumin, chili powder, and as I mentioned earlier, we are going to bring them to a whole new level with some of this cream cheese. And then we are going to use them in a burrito, you guys. So everything that you need to put this deliciousness together is on the screen. So gather everything up, come back here, and I am going to show you guys just how it's done coming up next. Welcome back everyone. So before we go on over to the stove, I have already done some prep work. I've already heated my tortilla shells. As you can see, they are still flexible, but I just wanted to go ahead and heat them and get them a light brown on each side because again, I've got this thing with the texture of bread. So I went ahead and did that. I've already pre-measured out my herbs. I've got some minced garlic here. I've diced my veggies, that being the onions and the red peppers, and I took these, I'm using black soybeans, you guys, because it has a lower carb count than the regular black beans. I went ahead, took them out of the can, rinsed them, and dried them. Now these are ready to go over to the stove. So you guys get your tray and join me over at the stove. We are going to start with sauteing our onions and our red peppers. So to this pot, I'm going to add some olive oil. And now add in our onions and our red peppers. And we're going to continue to build a flavor with some of this minced garlic. I've got some vegetable base. Add in our beans. So guys, I've made this before, so I know I need some salt. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. But feel free to wait to the end to add the salt because again, the bouillon does in fact have salt in it. And remember, you can add the salt, but you cannot take it away. Next, we're going to add in our seasoning, which is some garlic powder, some chili powder, and some cumin. Now add in water. Give this a stir. And we're going to let this continue to simmer until this water has reduced and these beans are nice and tender. Okay, everyone, it's been about 10 minutes and this is exactly what we were looking for. That liquid has evaporated and these beans are nice and tender and all of these flavors have come together. So at this point, we want to add in our cream cheese. And continue to mix it until it melts down and combines with these beans. All right, just one more thing we need to add before we fill our burrito shells, and that is some cilantro. Give this a mix, turn off this flame, and this is ready for our recipe. Okay, so I've got our tortilla shell here. I am going to put some lettuce in the center. And of course, you guys, at this point, you do exactly what pleases you. All right, so we've got some chopped up lettuce. We've got some diced tomatoes. And now spoon in our bean mixture. you still see the steam coming off of this, you guys. Oh my gosh. And I'm going to add just a little bit more shredded cheese. And now it's time to wrap. So I'm going to fold in the center. And roll. Trying to tuck in all of these ingredients to get a nice tight pocket. And here we have it. All right, let's do one more. And then we're gonna go over to the stove and I'm just gonna toast this a little bit more on each side. And then these will be ready to serve. Okay, everyone, and here we have it. Some black beans that we took to an all new level by adding in some delicious seasonings, some fresh vegetables, and some cream cheese. And we used it to fill some tortilla shells and we made ourselves a delicious black bean burrito. So you guys, this was made for our dinner and a movie. So I'm gonna save it for that occasion, but you guys, please do give this a try, and when you do, leave in the comments that you did exactly that. And another thing, you guys, just to show just how versatile this mixture is, I have some chips here. You can use this as a dip for some chips as well. This is how phenomenal this stuff is, you guys. Now, mind you, these are not low carb. These are my husband's, but this is again for demonstration purposes, so please don't send the carb police after me, okay? I have to make some for myself, but again, this is so versatile. It is so delicious, and I encourage you to make some for you and your family. You guys, remember, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you out real soon on my next Fit Fat 50, and enjoy.